Visualization can be exported as an image or a data file using the export menu. Images are exported in PNG format to maintain the highest quality of the image. To export data in a format that can be opened in any spreadsheet editor like MS Excel, choose the CSV option from the export menu. Choose which properties should be exported and rearrange them to change the order of the columns in the exported CSV file. Choose the sorting property to change the order of the rows in the exported file. Exporting relationships is very similar to exporting nodes. It has the option to add properties from the nodes connected with the exported relationship. If a part of the graph is selected, then only elements from this part are included in the exported data file. There is also a special sorting algorithm called detect path that will find the longest path in the exported graph, and the rows in the file will be sorted according to the path. All other elements will be placed after the path rows.